Hello everyone, Namaste from Tarot Tales 369. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, so thank you for watching. This is a general timeless reading for Capricorns today. So it may or may not resonate with you. So take only what resonates and leave the rest. Meanwhile, if you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for further notifications. Also, if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Okay, so let's quickly check out what's there for the Capricorns today. So it's looking like there's definitely some kind of a new beginning is coming for you, or you have already, started walking on that path. But there's also this emotional, confusion you have. So you need to, balance the things here. The cards are telling, uh, recently you have been focused on starting something meaningful. Okay, so it's the card of, the pentacle card is of that, learner card. It's like a energy of a student learning new things. Okay, so it is also showing, since it's a Capricorn reading, so see, these are the earth cards, so it's a earth sign. So this is very, energy of being ambitious, and very grounded. So you may have started a new job maybe, or you are taking up that new course. Okay, that new certification something, or maybe a new your financial plan. So this is, showing your willingness to grow, and definitely your dedication, for laying that strong foundation for your future. But also things might be, feeling uncertain to you with that moon card. So it's like some kind of hidden truths or illusions, or that is your emotional fog. So you might be experiencing that confusion on your way, and you are, experiencing that anxiety, or not able to see things clearly. Okay, so there could be, secrets, or some kind of mixed energy, mixed signals around you. Whatever you are doing, it could be a relationship. Okay, so you need to trust your instincts here, the moon is telling. Okay, also be aware, I have pulled this one more card. So again, it is showing, you are tired, or maybe, you're burned out with all those, exhaustion here. But you're not ready to give up. That's the good thing here. Okay, so the Nine of Wands is the, showing that warrior who has been through a lot but still standing strong. Okay, it's like a reminder, your resilience is your power here. And since you have come so far, so this is not the time to quit now. Okay, protect your energy and stand your ground, and, keep going, and also be patient. And not everything is meant to be revealed immediately. So, rely on your intuition as much you can, while, being cautious with your decisions. The moon is saying, not everything is as it seems. So you might be facing those uncertainty, and, self doubting yourself. uh, so things might be unclear as of now. Okay, and soon, you will be required to juggle multiple priorities. Okay, uh, work life balance, maybe, your financial decisions, or your emotional stability. It could be in terms of your relationships. So, you may need your attention here. So stay flexible, okay, and stay organized. So this space will, test your ability, how much, you are able to adapt without, losing your ground. So staying grounded is the thing here. Okay, so your journey involves, commitment, and self trust, and balance and strength is the key here. Okay, even in the moments of confusion or exhaustion, your resilience or perseverance will guide you forward. So don't stop now. Okay, just be flexible and plan wisely, and avoid, any kind of over exhaust. uh, you have the ability to handle it. Time management will be, playing a crucial role here for you at this time. And now we'll have one card from our angels and guides. So we have got Freya. It says phases and cycle. So there is a beginning within every ending. Illusions are revealed and released. See how it resonates with the moon card. It says if you are having those illusions and things are not clear to you at this point of the time, so it will be all revealed. Okay. And this is a phase of your life, so maybe coming to an end, but it's important to acknowledge it's not the end. Okay, when one door closes, another opens. So you may have been desperate for change. See, but now that it's here, you could feel vulnerable. Know that the mighty goddess Freya will guide you. Illusions are now being revealed so that you can leave behind anything that is false. Step into your peaceful warrior like energy and welcome the changes you deserve. Tie up all loose ends and take heart. This is an exciting time. So, very beautiful message from Freya here we have got. Okay, so go through phases and cycles of growth, and Freya is here to support you on this journey. Now we'll take one card from our ancestors' guidance. So let's check out. So we have Star and Sister. Very beautiful energy, very beautiful card here. It says follow the voice of your soul. So messages, heed the messages coming directly from your soul. See, it resonates with your whole energy here, Capricorn. There is a deeper purpose to your human journey. Not only were you born on purpose, you were born for a purpose. How beautifully explained here. See, you were born to be a bright light in the world, and there are supporters out there in the universe sending waves of energy to guide you at this time. Okay, so information and inspiration that has been coming your way recently is not new information but your memories. Okay, you are being drawn towards a road that will not only light you up but also help you light up your corner of the world. Continue following the cosmic guidance that is coming your way. What an apt message for you, Capricorn, here. Very beautiful message from your ancestors. Okay. So, your feelings of being drawn in a particular direction are the awakening of an aspect of your soul. So, this is a soul calling, a soul purpose. You are headed on that. So, when we are on a big journey, okay, so phases and cycles come. Okay, things may come along a way that challenges, but you need to follow the voice of your soul, and you are being guided at this time. So definitely taking that initiative to navigate in uncertainty, and soon you are going to find your balance. So you are evolving, Capricorn, here. Okay, this shows that you are on a journey of steady growth. So stay grounded, trust your inner guidance. You have your star ancestor here. So you are full of guidance at this time, and don't be afraid to adapt as things shift. So it doesn't mean if so, on our way we are stopped by a few hurdles, but it means you need to shift both your approach, to life and your perspective. Okay, so you are definitely capable and strong and ready for whatever is coming next towards you. So very beautiful energy and reading, for you, Capricorns here. So I hope it resonates with you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. That's it for this video, guys. If you like it, please leave a heart. Thank you for watching, and meet you next time. Namaste.